Hello everyone. Let me show you how to create this beautiful leaf effect in Photoshop. Watch carefully to the end and write in the comment section one thing you learned in this video. Let's get started. Open a leaf image and logo or a text letter that you would like to design in Photoshop Canvas. Select the logo, reduce the opacity to around 55, and adjust it as it looks good. Select an leaf image, make a duplicate by pressing Ctrl J, and put it on top of the logo. Clip the image into the logo by pressing Alt and clicking on the lower layer. Down the opacity around 27. Lock the lower layers to avoid any displacement and movement. Select the pen tool and make a selection of the area of the leaf that will not appear in the logo. After selection, press Ctrl J to make a separate layer of selection. It looks like this. Cool. Let's select and cut out the whole parts of the leaves that we want to show. It's done and looks beautiful. Select all layers. Right-click and make it merge layers. Now we have to make a little bit clean the leaves and remove the black areas that remain on the leaves while the selection. Select the eraser tool, adjust the brush size, and remove it like this. That's it. Here's the final design. Hope you like it. If you learn anything in this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and make sure to press the bell button to first know our new videos.